GDC has just wrapped up and Unity just got done announcing their roadmap for Unity 6. I'm gonna be honest, and I kinda like the direction they're going. Sure, there's a lot of ground they have to make up for the incident, but I like to remain optimistic about the future. Now, I'm not gonna cover all the goodies that they announced in this video, but I will cover the features that I liked and some that stood out as a VR developer. If you wanna hear the entire presentation, you of course can find it in the description below. So, I'll kick things off with one of my favorites, which is the adaptive probe volumes. Long gone are the days where we have to put all the light probes there ourselves. This system will actually automatically place all the light probes for you. This is going to make prototyping and iteration even quicker, and this pairs really well with the engine's new ability to take baked day and night cycles and blend them together during real time. Oh, and I guess the GPU Lightbaker will officially be out, even though I've kind of been using it in preview mode for the past year or so. Muse, which is Unity's little AI guy, continues to be a focal point for them, and I think it has some great potential for prototyping and game jams. The features I'm most interested in are the abilities for it to generate textures, sprites, basic animations, and sound effects. If anything, I think Muse is worth at least a month-long subscription to play around with and see what it can really produce. Hey, I might even host a game jam where you can only use AI-generated assets. If it goes well enough, we might come out looking like the Willy Wonka experience. Now time for some things more specific to VR. First off, AR Foundation aims to flesh out some more features that you'll want if you're interested in creating any AR experiences. Features like meshing, occlusion, bounding boxes, persistent anchors, and also Vulkan support. On top of that, even better, it will even now allow us to create things for AR in a cross-platform way. So now I need just a couple of grand and I'll get a Vision Pro and develop for that too. One of the coolest features that I'm actually very excited about is the big addition of a new UI tool called Composition Layer. Looking at text in UI can be pretty janky sometimes and you get all these rough edges and different artifacts, but Composition Layers looks to smooth out these things and add a little more clarity to our experiences. I mean, just looking at the demo here, you can see it really cuts down on those unwanted artifacts, so I'm pretty excited about this. This next one I see in the comments all the time, and I'm pretty excited to see this too. It looks like we're getting a multiplayer VR template. This template's going to incorporate Unity's multiplayer services and come built in with all the features you could expect in a multiplayer VR experience, such as lobbies and voice chat. I'm super interested to see how this template's put together and how things are done the Unity way when it comes to multiplayer. There is a ton more covered in the event video, so if you have the time, definitely go check it out. I think it's worth a watch. If you think any of these features are interesting, let me know in the comments which ones stuck out to you and which ones you want to use in the future. And yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video that covered some of the things that stuck out to me. Thank you as always to my patrons. Without you, I can't do this, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.